Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker into your Amazon Fire TV stick. Okay, and first of all you need to go to the setting first, and then goes down all the way here until you can see the words control and Bluetooth device, and you need to choose the other Bluetooth device. And now I already connect a Bluetooth keyboard, so now if you want to connect to your Bluetooth speaker, just press add Bluetooth device, and now it try to search your another Bluetooth device. Just turn your speaker on and then turn the signal of the Bluetooth to be visible. Okay, now the TV stick is found your Bluetooth speaker. Just select on it, and now it's pairing. And now we confirm to use the speaker instead of the TV speaker. And I try to play one YouTube video. And now we can use this Bluetooth keyboard. For example, I play this video and wait a moment. Okay, now we can hear the sound come from the speaker, and now we also can pause the video from the speaker, and you can see the volume up. So now I can turn the volume up and volume down. 30 minutes up to 180 minutes. So you can hear from sound from the speaker. Okay, and that's all for today's video of how you can connect the Bluetooth speaker into your Amazon Fire TV stick. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.